What is ozone? When an electrical charge passes through oxygen, it produces ozone. Ozone is a pale blue gas that emits a distinct odor. It is what you smell during a lightning storm. Ozone penetrates the protective coating around microorganisms, causing them to collapse and die. Ozone is a powerful disinfectant, killing 99.999% of all germs. However, ozone is unstable, meaning it reverts back to oxygen after a short while. But a continuous electrical charge applied to oxygen will generate constant ozone. When injected into water, the ozone can be used to disinfect. Bacteria and viruses can live on fresh fruits, vegetables, and other produce. Ozone-infused water effectively sanitizes them without the risk of chemical byproducts or other residues. An ozone injection system infuses water with ozone to sanitize food. While systems may differ in size and design, their basic function is the same.